So we are in the car. We currently stacked up all of our blankets to sit our laptop. So I'm wearing my sweatshirt as blanket. As blanket. Mom, how far are we away?
We'll get there around 9.
No.
It's getting longer and longer. We're sitting in traffic. Oh my gosh. It's only 8:59.
Okay, so that is 9.
That Glen Elk money is surely paying off here.
Say hi. Okay, so see you in like an hour. We're here! I'm so happy. Okay, so we are in Bethany. We finally got here. The traffic was terrible and it was raining like really hard for like a really long time. We are going to do a room tour and then tomorrow we are going to do a beach house tour. This is Monique's little spot.
Like
Corner. Like she has like her stuff. So like when you enter the room, this is all you see. You see Monique.
And then
Closet.
to the left, there's a closet. So like I emptied like my stuff here, and then hung up her like dresses and like
Romper,
things.
jumper, whatever that's called.
Yeah, like the things we don't want to get like super wrinkled.
Yeah.
And yeah.
We don't really have anything in the closet that's exciting.
Yeah.
And then you walk this way and it's like
Painting.
yeah.
And this is a picture of a painting.
Picture, yeah. And then I have just my stuff that I just like threw off. And then I have my clothes and stuff. Then we just come to this corner and my makeup bag did not fit everything in it, so I just like put it against here. Then there's some pillows we don't want. We should just put those in the closet.
We should.
Yeah.
Be more space.
We're here for 5 days. We're not here for like 2 nights, so like we actually need space.
Yeah. That'd be.
We're actually here for 5 days. Like
That's like a
that's
long.
that's a long time.
So excited.
Then we have like my bag, that stuff, beach towel, bath towel. Then we have like the side table with perfumes, lotions, vitamins, jewelry, lip stuff, hand sanitizers, eye stuff, and then a clock, alarm, clock, whatever, speakers. And we have these tattoos. I have one on right now.
And she has one behind. Oh gosh, her ear. It's like some triangles.
Okay, so that was our room tour, and then we'll do like a whole house tour tomorrow of the whole house. Oh, by the way, when we got here, it was like raining like a little bit, so we had to like get out of the car because like you couldn't like drive. I don't know how to explain it, but like so we got out of the car to find like our house, and then we got back in and we found our house, and once we got out, like the door wouldn't open because like the wind. It was like literally like
A whole tornado.
yeah, it was like the wind was like coming hard.
The
Like
recycling bins were like blowing
flying.
across.
It was like crazy. So yeah, but we got in the house safely. Oh god. And so yeah, we're gonna wake up, go to the gym, get breakfast, and then hopefully go to the beach and start our little tan. I have like terrible lacrosse tan lines, so I'm so excited to use this
Goggle
out.
tan lines and
Skirt tan line. I don't know if you can really see it.
some Nike sock tan lines. And then I just got like short tan lines. What was it called?
Yeah.
Short tan lines and like the sock tan that was way up here, so it's like really bad. And then I got a nice farmer's tan because my shirts go down to here. That's nice.
Yeah, I have like a jersey tan, like
Yeah.
it's not cute. So we're gonna start evening that out. Okay, we're just gonna do like a downstairs tour because I'm kind of thirsty and want to get some agua. I want to be quiet because my mom is sleeping. So you walk out of the room and then you see this. We'll show you that tomorrow. Here's our bathroom. We'll show you that tomorrow. It's this beach. The chandelier is actually super cute. family rooms. This I would call like the loft area. It has like chairs and a couch and a TV. Sorry, we're like whispering over here. And then dining room. Yeah, like the dining area, like kitchen, whatever. And then we have that blue countertops. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna try to find the glasses. Oh,
Up here. Balcony.
super cute. There's just like two little chairs.
Kind of rustic. Don't want to sit on
Yeah. This is outside. There's like a pool there. And then inside there's the gym. There's super cute houses. Like look at that one over there. That white one. The one like right here. It's super cute.
The breeze feels so nice.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be so probably gonna pick up like so loud here. Maybe that's better. On camera. But yeah, so we're probably going to go to the gym. Then there's apparently, what's that place called?
Something prune.
Something, no.
It's like
Wait, I need to ask my mom because it's gonna bug me. Oh, fractured prune. I remembered it. I've never tried it, but apparently it's like a duck donuts, and I know duck donuts are super good. So I'm really, really, really. I'm so tired. So we've been wanting to go to the beach all day, and I've been asking to go, and that's been the plan. It's 2:30, and my sister's an hour away, and then she's gonna have to get settled in, and then that's when we're gonna go to the beach. By the time that happens, it's gonna be probably 5 o'clock. We won't be able to get in the water like we want to. So that's why. That's unfortunate, but
and don't cry.
cry.
It's okay.
Does it look like I'm crying to you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we did like a ton of tattoos. Wait, can you show mine?
So she has this one that says "C'est la vie" in French with some heartbeat things.
Then I have the one that says, I don't know what it says.
We only
Part.
part to meet again.
Yeah.
And then
I have this like,
oh gosh, wait, lower down. So she got this. Oh my gosh, focus. Says, I refuse to sink with an anchor underneath, and then
I've always keep the faith
on
and
her arm. And the thing that we showed before on her ear.
yeah.
And then
Juanita.
I have one.
That says love. Wait, focus. I'm focusing camera. Focus. Okay, well it says love.
And then I have, oh wait, I also have another love.
With the heart.
And then I have one, it says alive.
We have bathing suits on, by the way, just so
Yeah.
you know.
And then this one says faith with a little heart with some poke teeth.
I'm gonna do that one too, but like I think I've done enough for the day. Yeah, I just want to walk around, but like it's so sad because we've wanted to go to the beach all day. It's kind of really annoying.
Can you walk?
Yeah, but like, I mean, maybe, but your mom wouldn't like that.
Sandy, do not need to know.
Okay, well we're gonna go feel it outside because apparently it's starting to get nice out. But I was saying before you came in, like when they come, they're gonna have to like settle in, and then we won't get to go for like
Another hour.
exactly. So, oh my God, it's so nice out.
So good. Oh my gosh, it feels so much better than before.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Oh, and it smells good.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Like a really slow thing, like a montage.
It literally
Can we
it's
like
been
go? Like,
it's been so like disgusting and like cold. I mean, it's windy, but like if it wasn't windy, it would be like too hot. Like this is perfect, and it's like the sun's like being on you. Dude, this is
so good.
beach weather. This is the beach, and like it's really frustrating because like she said like we can even go when we get back.
Turn left.
Okay, so we're currently walking to CVS because nothing.
She's gonna get sun in,
Yeah, I want to get that.
and some other personal reasons that
Okay, but anyway, we're like on a road that like
there's no sidewalk.
there's no sidewalk, so it's like
Anywhere.
really creepy. And I'm like hiding, filming on my phone so like nobody sees it. It's like really creepy. Like this is not a place that I'm normally at, so I don't know where anything is.
We've only been down this road, this road.
Like twice, and it
Like-
was at night. So like,
Yeah.
I don't know. But we're just gonna keep walking until we find our way. It's like 5 minutes driving, so it's probably like 45 minutes going there, and it's like 8:30, so the sun's gonna go down like 30 minutes, less than that.
I have a disguise on though.
Okay, so I'm editing at home, and that's all we have for day 1. So I'm just gonna insert some pictures we took at the beach. So yeah, that's all I filmed for the day. So enjoy the pictures.